field, changing the point of attack. And here's Son Heung-min. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. Lee Kang-in. Played into the middle. In once more. Frankie Chan. Nice interception, one time. Looking to break out here. Gently done. Nice sequence of passes this. Kim Min-jae. Moved on forwards. Time, excellent interception. Looking tidy in possession here. Passes coming off in quick succession here. Climbs up big! Oh, this was all about good movement in the box, just to allow it to get to it. Can he get onto this? He's had it taken off him. Frankie Chan. Oh, that's a nice ball. Sends the shots. And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, they're back on level terms, so the guessing game goes on. As to what will happen from here, I've no idea.
Forwards and with intent. Great lead! It's almost, who's going to get there? Gets good distance on it. His interception, his positioning was spot on. Lee Kang-in. Move forward and quickly so. Lee Kang-in. Showing good feet.
Skor 3-1.
And here's a chance. South Korea looking to pass their way through. Hwang Hee-chan. Chang Hoon-kwon. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. That's a bad place to challenge. What's he giving? No, the referee's judged that the offence took place outside the area. The referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern lecture. Towards the right wing. Just eases him off the ball. Did well to step in there. That was more than necessary. Well, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing. Throw it. To throw in. Amat. Now then, the ball's come loose. Out towards the flank. Climbs up big!
Well, that was a slip move, and there were several options in the box to pick out.
Shifted upfield. Lee Kang-in. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there. Oh, great run, magical! Hwang Hee-chan.
Just to give you a rough scale, we're getting around 500,000 malware samples every single day.
Gently done. Nice bit of trickery. He's found a way through. That's great defensive work. It doesn't take too much imagination to guess what would have happened otherwise.
Oh, look, his determination needed to be greater than the obstacle he was faced with, and it wasn't.
Passes short and sharp. Sends it forward. Chang Hoon Kwon. And that's with the clearance. And they've got a throw. Cross goes in there. He's there to clear it. And it's played forward. Can he latch on to this? Well read, nice interception. The ball is loose and the chase is on. The pressing's intense and it's paid off. Some terrific running on the ball there. Those efforts are not going unappreciated. Almost an hour gone. Possession, ready to go again. And he's heaved it away. Well played, that has snuffed down the danger. The defending has become all of a sudden very personal, up close, adhesive.
Well, he's profited handsomely already in this match, and at last their sense of danger has brought them to a possible solution.
It's a good looking cross. Shot could be on. He is just caressing the ball. He's good enough for that challenge. Well, you might think he got off lightly. It is just a verbal warning. Knocks it away. Oh, that's neat. And he just whacks it away. Referee's given a throw. Lee Kang-in. Oh, lovely feet. He is such a good mover. Chang Hoon Kwon. Attempt in the end.
Well, it really shouldn't be allowed to happen again. It needs to be dealt with at source.
That's a key interception. Lee Kang-in might just make this. He's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick.
Well, that was well positioned and well pitched. They can't hurt with their backs to goal.
He might be in here. Assistant referee rightly gives him offside.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Son Heung-min has made his impact already. Lee Kang-in.
South Korea showing a good level of intensity at this stage. They're calling on all their resources now.
No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Clear away. He's got one away. Closing in on goal. Played back into the centre. Oh, what a